Today I'm going to teach you how to require specific sections based on answers on Jotform. This is incredibly useful when you want to create smart forms that only ask follow-up questions when they're actually needed, making your forms more efficient and user-friendly. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you to your Jotform dashboard where you can manage all your forms. Now, in the upper left corner of the page, you'll see an option that says My Workspace. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This section displays all the forms you've created and gives you quick access to manage them. Next, we're going to create a new form. Click on Create Form in the upper left corner of the page. A menu will appear with several options. Select Start from Scratch and then choose Classic Form. This gives you a blank canvas to build your conditional form from the ground up. In the left panel, you'll see a button labeled Add Element. Click on it and make sure you're under the Basic tab. Scroll down through the available elements until you find Single Choice and click it. This will add a multiple choice question to your form, which will serve as our trigger question for the conditional logic. Click on the text that says Type a question and enter your question. For example, you might type Need help, then click outside the box to save your changes. This question will determine whether the follow-up section appears. Now we need to add the conditional field. In the left panel, click Add Element again under the Basic tab. Scroll down until you find Short Text and click it. This adds a text input field to your form. Click on Type a question for this new field and enter something like Describe issue. This is the field that will only be required if someone answers yes to needing help. Click outside the box to save. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the Settings tab at the top of the page. This opens up the configuration options for your form. From the left sidebar, select Conditions. This is where you'll set up the logic that makes your form smart and responsive. In the Conditions menu, select Enable/Require/Mask field. This option allows you to control when certain fields become required based on other answers. In the IF drop-down menu, select your trigger field, which in our example is Need help. Then from the State drop-down, select Is equal to. This tells Jotform to watch for a specific answer. In the DO section, select Require. This is the action that will happen when the condition is met. Then in the Field section, select Describe issue. This means when someone answers yes to needing help, the Describe issue field will automatically become required. Finally, click Save to apply your conditional logic. Your form now intelligently requires the description field only when someone indicates they need help. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.